Grand Designs is a British documentary television series that follows the process of designing and building a house from scratch. The show has been running since 1999 and has featured over 200 projects. Kevin McCloud is the host of Grand Designs, and he travels around the UK to meet the people who are building the dream homes. McCloud interviews the homeowners, their architects, and the builders to get a behind-the-scenes look at the challenges and rewards of self-build. Grand Designs is a fascinating show that gives viewers a glimpse into the world of architecture and construction. The show is also inspiring, as it shows that anything is possible if you have the passion and the determination to build your own home. Grand Designs has been praised for its realistic portrayal of the self-build process. The show does not shy away from the challenges that homeowners face, but it also celebrates the successes. Grand Designs is a must-watch for anyone who is interested in architecture, construction, or simply dreaming of building their own home. Here are some of the things that make Grand Designs a great show. It is informative. Grand Designs gives viewers a comprehensive look at the self-build process, from the initial planning stages to the final reveal. It is inspiring. Grand Designs shows that anything is possible if you have the passion and the determination to build your own home. It is entertaining. Grand Designs is full of interesting characters and unexpected challenges. If you are interested in architecture, construction, or simply dreaming of building your own home, then I highly recommend watching Grand Designs. It is a fascinating and inspiring show that will leave you wanting more.